Okay, so sometimes we have to apply the L'Hopital rule again and again to get the final result. For example, for this one, if you plug in 0, you can check that this is 0 over 0. So let's first apply the L'Hopital's rule, which gives us 2 cosine of x minus 2 cosine of 2x divided by 2e to the power x minus the derivative of 2 is gone, and this will be minus 2 minus 2x. Okay, now if you plug in 0 here, this is 1, this is also 1, so this is 2 minus 2, 0, and this is also 0, and we have to apply the L'Hopital's rule once again. Okay, so this is once again indeterminate form. So if you apply the L'Hopital's rule once again, we get a minus 2 sine of x minus 4 sine 2x, right? Divided by 2 to the power e to the x minus 2. And this is again 0 over 0 form. And we use L'Hopital's rule once again. This time, what do we get? If we take the derivative, we get minus 2 cosine of x plus 8 times cosine of 2x divided by 2e to the power x. Now if you plug in x equals 0, we get minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 3.